28th of January. It's about minus 12 degrees Celsius. Minus 10 to 12 anyway. Freezing cold. Wind is up to 25 kilometers per hour. I would not try this with any other drone. And we're going to try the Bebop. The Bebop has been in the garage for half an hour, acclimatized into the cold weather. I just put a warm battery in. It's about 70% full. And we shall see what happens. Let's go into this. Video mode is more slow. Go to sport. See what that looks like. This is a shout out to J Drone. You did a cold weather one the other day. This is what mine does. And as you can see, it's going up and down all over the place, but the video is pretty steady. Okay, I'm just going to travel around a bit. It's freezing cold. It's the water tower. And down the street. Okay, and I think I'm pointing the camera down, and that should be enough because it's freezing cold and the wind is horrible. Okay, down. There's a car. Get over closer to me. Down. There we go. But it's easy to handle. It really does handle the wind very well.